Welcome to the Multi Sites YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your German restaurants. Now if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with Multi Sites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website for your small business. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card required. So click on the link below this video and sign up for the free trial. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm now going to head to the top and search for my market, German restaurants. Let's type that in. And there you have it. I'm now going to click on that template. Great. So let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our German restaurant so I can literally generate a one-page website for me. I'm going to put my company name in, Rochelle's German Restaurant, city, and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and leave the type of business as restaurant and click continue. Awesome. Let's go ahead and tell Marty Sites how customers can get in touch with us and our email address. Let's click on continue. Okay, where is our German restaurant located? Let's go ahead and put in our street address and our postal code. I'm now going to click on continue. Great, what time do we open on a Monday? Let's get our hours set up. I'm going to say we open from 11 a.m. and we close at 9:30 p.m. We're also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We're open 7 days a week. Click on continue. Let's check it out. Let's do a quick review and make sure everything's in order. If you need to update anything, click on update, but everything looks good to me. I'm going to click on next. And there you have it. Multi-Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me. Let's take a closer look. Awesome, look at that. Now, the beauty of Multi-Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We pre-selected all the images, as you can see. However, if you've got your own images, you can upload them. If the content that's pre-written, you want to make one or two amendments, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't even need to hire a web developer with a huge budget. I'm going to walk you through each section from the top to the bottom, make my way through, just so you can see how easy it is to use the service. So I'm going to head to update section at the top. I'm now going to click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed here next to my phone number that is clicked to call, by the way, so customers can easily get in touch with you. My address is clickable as well. So when my customers click on it, it will directly take them to Google Maps to get directions to my physical location. Let's click on save and head to update social links. Over here, you can put in your Instagram page, Twitter account, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. Feel free to give Mighty Sites a follow and let us know how you are enjoying the service. We'd love to hear your feedback. Icons are clickable over there. Let's click on save and move along. Now I'm going to hit to update section and update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo, it will literally just display your name and it still looks really professional. If you do have a logo, go ahead and browse from your device and upload one. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget to hire a web developer, go ahead and check out canva.com. There are a few free grade options over there. Let's click on save and move along. You can also make it bigger and smaller to suit your needs. So I'm going to make it slightly bigger, click save and close and move along. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your multi-size page that have been pre-selected for you, I guess you can call this like a royal blue. They don't quite work for your business, your branding throughout your restaurant. Your signage is a completely different color. Go ahead and click on the paint bucket over here, no coding necessary, and go through the various options available to just see what suits your color preferences. So I quite like this one, the gray, but let me just have a look at a few more options. I really like that one. That one's also great. And the orange, but I'm going to select that one and move along. As you can see now, it's used throughout my Mighty Sites page. Awesome. Over here, again, as I said, pre-selected images for you. They're all very high quality. They're completely free to use, no licenses necessary. And the content, you can amend it. Let's head to update section over here and head to update image. Now, if you have your own images of your restaurant, go ahead and browse your device. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and they are all royalty free. Multi-sites will automatically search for a German restaurant, but you can amend it a little bit. So let's search for German food and see what comes up. Okay, I'm now going to search for a German meal that I'm familiar with and see if anything pops up. Nope, nothing. Let's say German food and search for the options available. Let's go next and check out the different options and just see what's suitable for us. Let's say German meal. Great, that looks more like it. So I'm going to head to the first page and just see what pops up. Okay, so here's some all really delicious looking food options. I'm going to see what works best for me. I really like this one over here, looks great. So I'm going to select that one, select the photo, save image selection, and look at that. That actually looks really awesome. Update the contents over here. You can change it to suit your needs. Perhaps you don't offer an online ordering system like the button suggests. Go ahead and change it to another option. I'm going to say view our menu and choose the link. Now you can link to another website, another part of your multi-sites page, an action like click to call or directions. But for this, I'm going to upload a PDF file of my menu, browse from my device, whoops, and say upload my menu, my multi menu with all my amazing German food options. Click confirm, save the content, and move along. Look at that. Customers can easily click on that button and be taken directly to your menu to check it out. If you need to make any amendments for your address, physical location, and your hours, go ahead and do so over here. This section, another great spot for a high quality image. Search the photo library, hundreds to choose from, or upload one of your own. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Head to update section and make those amendments where necessary. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your restaurant came to be, how you got into the German food industry, how long you've been serving your customers for, the different meals your restaurant offers. Perhaps you offer various German beers. Perhaps if you want to, like the languages, does your German restaurant, do you speak in English and German? Go ahead and put that over here. I'm sure your customers would love to know that information, especially if they're tourists or something like that. Another great spot for a high quality image. Go ahead and update section and amend it. So look at that. We've literally gone through a one-page website. We've generated a one-page website for our German restaurant. We've gone through each section in literally less than 10 minutes. All looks really professional and great. High quality images. Super easy to amend. No web coding needed. No web development skills. No need to hire a web developer. It's only going to cost you $9 a month. There is that free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and sign up for the free trial. You've got nothing to lose. See how easy it is to use. Great. I hope that tutorial was helpful in building a website for your German restaurants. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any features or suggestions you'd like to see on the Mighty Sites platform, comment below and let us know. And don't forget the thumbs up.